Today we're playing Hybrid Animals. Highly recommend it. It's on phones, and I don't really know. I only play on the phone. It could be on the computer. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and choose a polar bear and a wasp for the main reason because I will be able to summon a pack. Anyways, enjoy the video. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and check everything out. Seems to be swamp over there. So over here, it's desert over there, and I accidentally clicked menu. So first desert, I'm gonna go to the desert. I kill this hummingbird thing though first. Gotta put it into the tank. It's always good to have some tank. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go over that, whatever that's called. No. And then completely one-shot it.
I will always remember.
Okay, anyways. So yeah, I put it all to attack, and now I'm gonna attack these orbs, trying to get these coins out. Now I'm gonna continue attacking orbs, because I just hate green orbs. And I get to choose an evolutionary advantage. Maybe some to be able to see my pack now, so yeah. What you gonna do? No. Pick up my baby. What's gonna do? Now I'm gonna take a baby. Now I'm gonna take a baby. So that little man. Okay. Now I'm gonna go search for something to kill after dancing. Dance. Now I'm gonna kill you. Why you came back for your sister, baby? Huh? I hate it. I hate your babies. I hate your sister's baby. Now I'm gonna find your babies and eat them. Hopefully. Oh, and I'm enraged. Alright, how do I kill a kid? I'm always gonna put everything into attack. It's just really good. Yeah, searching for something to kill, something to do, something to eat. I need food. Now I'm gonna head to go do that quest that I was doing. This makes it much faster. Gonna go talk to a ghost frog. Then gonna go kill a bunch of shark wizards, and then gonna kill a ghost. I think I'm a really ghost. Get it? Oops, get it. Then I laugh right now. I'll find you. I'm gonna kill you. Oh, you enrage me. Prepare to meet the fire yourself. Did nothing like, huh? That's how I'm gonna replace it. Kill it. Let's go! Attack. Only one more. And then I can fire and replace it. I think that tilted. Let's go see. Nope, that's not it. That is a gorilla. Carrot gorilla? That was not carrot gorilla. Let's go talk to the carrot gorilla. Yo, what's up, my guy? What you doing? Let's go kill some sharks. Where's London? Want to visit the spirit? Yeah. Let's roll out. Okay, so there are treasure chests all around this place. I'll show you after the fight. Right now, let's talk to the ghost frog. The chimpanzee frog. I cannot read that. Storm Wizard and Arsonic. They just I can't read that. Why did I go so fast? I'm not trying to speed run. I don't even think there's a story to this game. So basically, just do whatever you want. Why did I go so fast? Okay, let's kill some sharks. Storm Wizard! It's time for you to die! You, get over here. Make your hand. Not really, so. Okay, put everything into attack. And now I'll be able to summon a giant. I'm gonna try to have a giant fight. That will summon a bunch of bandits. I'm gonna end up replacing that with that. Why have a pack when you can have bandits? Big Mama level 1. Okay, let's go ahead and call her Big Mama. Can't have 2 characters at once. Leveled up and to attack. Storm Wizard, time to die. Can't say goodbye. Tell your family. Oh my lord, it's a ghost. I'm gonna kill the ghost. Killing ghosts, what I do. Something strange in the neighborhood. We're gonna call Plumber plus Wasp. Guess what I'm talking about. Too easy, man, too easy. Nothing to beat me. Got some scales, some chairs, some money. With money over anything else. Yeah, I'll take a chair. You won't get the exact same treasure every time. I'm not taking that snowman. Okay, let's go to the treasure chest. Hey, there's some money back there. Okay, you basically get the gist. There's stuff over here. I'm not gonna go show you what stuff is in there because it's random. Okay. Phone's on 16%. Quest completed. Okay. I'm gonna take that item, I'm gonna take the blade rope, I'm gonna take the oven, I'm gonna take that chest, I'm gonna take that hat. I think that's all. Okay, let's go and put on that hat now. That look awesome. Okay, let's go kill stuff. What? I guess you just follow me around now. Okay, Adventures of Ben and Ape and, what should I call myself? Dominic. The Adventures of Ape and Dominic. We're gonna have such a long adventures. We're gonna have great adventures. It's gonna be so great. Okay, there's something to kill. Oh my god, it's level 45, level 45. Wait, no, Vitamin, no. No. My god, why was everything so strong? No. He had to die. He was so young. At least in his mid-20s. Oh, so sad. Oh. You're still alive. I guess I can't collect that insurance. Hey, you mind getting to that flaming car over there? Okay, let's go do something. Can't take the armor. How about the sword? I can't take the sword. Okay. Don't know how to use it or put on anything. So. Okay, so I'm gonna go and go to places where everything isn't so strong. Like the place I was before, right here. I'm gonna call my game. Let's do. Ignore that. Ignore that. And I just want. There we go. Okay, let's go kill some, let's see. Let's kill some watermelon. Mantis watermelon. They made out of watermelon or something. Honestly, it's not kind of good. Now I want some watermelon. Yeah, kill him. Get him. Attack is always the way to go, unless you need help, which I probably need. So I'm gonna go ahead and kill that watermelon mantis now. So let's get going. Get him. Come on. Just kill it already. Yeah, I got my game now. Wait, bug bean? Wouldn't it be watermelon? Weird. Stop clicking on it! I'm with the bug bean, not the rock. I don't need rocks, I don't even have hands. No. Attack. Get him. Some. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna call the gigantic thing, whatever that's called, Big Mama Polar Bear Buzzard. Is that what it's called, a Polar Bear Buzzard? Huh. Interesting. Now I'm gonna attack green things, because I hate green. Green's actually one of my favorite colors. I'm actually surprised I haven't run into any other Big Mamas. Huh. Well, if I did run into one, that's all in the video. Big gigantic monster fight. And yes, I did just watch Godzilla vs. King Ghidorah. Okay. Let's go attack some things. Also, please make sure you subscribe. Doing things like this, editing the video, it really takes a lot of time. And I just need some support, some subscribers. Maybe in the future I'll make some money off of this. Really hoping I do. Right now, I gotta stick to the basic things until I can start earning more subscribers. Gotta be kidding me! If you guys want to see me playing a different games on different consoles, I need money to buy those things. And subscribers will let me get money. So, I need subscribers. Need that money. Okay, so I'm gonna try and get legalized so I can find a game that's social and I got shrink. Where does that even help? Why is it called survivalism? What is that supposed to help me do? Get squished? So I thought. I didn't know all of that. Okay, just ignore that. Why does this charger not work? Any big monsters right now? Come on, I know you guys. I'll kill your babies. I'll eat them all up. I'll eat your babies. Want to cook them? Just eat them. While you watch. Well, I shouldn't have it because if you have the kids. Okay. Big monsters. I'll eat your babies. I'll do it. I'm not afraid to do it. I'll eat them. I'll eat them all. Ignore what I just said. Come on, eat your happy spots. I guess in the next video I'll have to find some monsters. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed this day's video. It's about to end, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and there's still a while left, huh? Okay, so yeah, but the video's about to end, so I might as well kill one more thing. Oh yeah, you think you can beat me? You think you can beat me? Get back. Gang, come on, bro. Gang, get him. And bye, like and subscribe.